You know, I've had you for a month, but I still haven't decided a name. Let's look at you. I know. Your name is going to be Coriander. And, well, if I ever have a daughter, you're going to be hers. So, you're going to have your old father's style. There you go. Get in there. Mommy. Mom. Over here. Thank goodness. I don't want to be alone. You'll be fine, just like your father was. A few years later, come back here, Coriander. Your halter is wrong. You bad horse. Stay where you are. You know what, this isn't easy. Give me your halter. Okay. Do it, halter. You worthless animal. I remember when my mom saw you being born. Wait. I remember when my mom said that she saw you as a baby. Now I realize you guys are just worthless. Come on, get your stupid halter on, you stupid horse. Come on. Don't waste time. So stupid. Go on. Now that he's rid of,